So we've been talking about different ways to classify leaves, different types of leaves, depending on their veins and whether they are simple leaves, just one, or compound leaves. So today we're going to talk about how to classify them. So here I have two labels. I have parallel and I have netted or reticulate. So I can take my leaves and I can classify them, I can sort them according to whether they have parallel veins or netted reticulate veins. Okay, so I'm going to look through here. This first one is, does anyone have can anyone, not guess, but can anyone figure it out? This is reticulate. It is reticulate because if you look up really close, that's about as close as I can get it, you can see that the veins form a network, like a net. Okay, so this is reticulate. These are, I'll give you a second to answer. Let me turn it over, it'll be easier to see. Ooh, this is a tough one because they're hard to see. They are reticulate. They are netted as well. And then here, this one's a lot easier to see, I think, yeah. This is also reticulate. A lot of leaves are reticulate, but maybe in your yard you have a lot of parallel veined leaves. This one is also reticulate. It's a reticulate leaf. This one's probably our best example. It is also reticulate because you can really clearly see all the veins that make up that netted appearance. And this one, again, netted, reticulate. Sorry. And then, that's right, it's parallel. Finally, yay, a parallel leaf. And our final one, also reticulate. This one you can also see pretty well, like the netted pattern it makes. So let's see, how many netted leaves did we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 netted leaves or reticulate leaves, whichever way you'd like to say it, and just 1 parallel leaf. I want you to go out into your yard and see if you can see what kind of leaves you can find. See if most of them are netted or reticulate or if most of them are parallel. They might be. You can also sort them according to whether they are simple or compound. So for instance, if we say we're going to put our simple leaves here and our compound leaves here, this one would be a simple leaf, this would be compound. Compound. This one I'm not sure because I picked it off the plant. I believe it is simple. I think this is a simple leaf. This is compound. Also compound. This one, I think this is a compound leaf. I'm not entirely sure. It's just one, I think this is just one of the leaflets. I'll have to check. But I think this one might be compound. I'm going to leave it out because I'm not sure. This one, though, is simple. This is a simple leaf. Just one of them. So you can also sort them that way. Within compound, you could sort them according to whether they're imparipinnately compound, parapinnately compound, pinnately compound versus palmately compound. Within the leaves in general, you could sort into whether they have palmately reticulate veins, like this one, where they all go to one point. Pinnately reticulate veins. So there's lots of different options. And I have your follow-up work in your class, and I will see you in our next lesson. Bye for now.